Okay. Back at it again. Back at it again with another mukbang. Let me sit here. Okay, is that good? Good view. So I went to Sonic. Happy hour. I got a frozen limeade, strawberry, or lemonade. And then, ooh, I got this, which is some tater tots, chili cheese. Oh, the fork was inside. Why would they put the fork inside? That's like so stupid. I thought they didn't give me a fork, which is but whatever. I wanted to make myself a hot dog, and I didn't want to pay for a hot dog because I think it seems dumb. So I just have a hot dog too. I know, I'm using regular bread. Hey, don't judge me. And I got my own fork. And this is how it looks. Ooh, look at that. It's tater tots. I've never had their chili cheese tater tots. So this is gonna be, I usually only go there like for their drinks when they're half off. It doesn't taste that good. I was so shocked when I went because it's like there was like nobody there. It was like deserted. People usually live up going to their happy hour for their half off drinks. Okay. I think it tastes better when you smush it around. It's actually pretty good. This is probably 500 calories though, or 1,000. This is just straight up sugar. Tastes like sugar. Yeah, and it gives me a brain freeze. So, I guess I could talk about my life. Nothing much has been going on. I'm planning on going on like a trip. Yeah, I want to travel. Like one of my 2017 goals is to like travel more than what I traveled last year. Last year I think I only went on like one trip. One trip that I remember. Wait, no, I went on 2 trips. Yeah, 2 trips. I went to Japan, and then I went to Wisconsin for like a spa getaway. But like, yeah, this is really good. You know how I said I hated it? The more I eat of it, the more I love it. But the more I eat, the more it just tastes so friedy. But this is really good. I wanted to get the Sonic like Senna stick because I didn't know they had those, but I was like, hey, I'll just get this mini stack, which is not really a snack. I like to eat my hot dogs like plain. I don't know why. I should probably put some of this on there. Anywho, lately I've been like obsessed with this drama. It's a Chinese drama, and it's called Eternal Love, or like 3 Mouths, 3 Blossoms, I don't know, something like that. But I've been watching it like without English subs because I'm just trying to like improve upon my language knowledge, which of course I don't speak Mandarin, but I can pick up a few words here and there. Like if you keep hearing something, it's gonna sound familiar. I feel like I'm gonna gain though so much weight. Do you guys ever get tired of hearing me talking about my weight? I get tired of hearing me talking about my weight. I'm gonna try my hot dog now that I put on like some of my chili cheese fries, so it looks like this now. Delicious. I feel like I need to change my angle. Let me see if I like it better. Here? Maybe here? Oh, this is good. This is better. Okay. Whew. I have a brain freeze. Brain freeze. There's just like too much brain freeze. I can feel it like going through my body. It's so brain. I need to like look up one of those life hacks that help you with brain freeze. And of course I'm gonna drink more of it because it's just so addicting. But like, yeah. This is a medium. Ooh, that brain freezes back again. But yeah, so good. When they gave me this, I literally was like, oh my god, did they give me a fucking hot dog instead? And I realized, no, it's my fries. That's good. I literally just can't stop looking at the camera. This drink is literally so dangerous. I feel like I gotten like so many brain freezes. Actually, these fries are like really filling. That, along with this hot dog, But yeah, I've been watching this Chinese drama. It's really addicting. Honestly, I just can't wait until like the next episode comes out every day. And like usually, I'm not really a fan of like Chinese dramas. I mean, there's like a couple that I really love, like such as like Boss and Me and like I can't think of another one. Oh, I love that one with that guy from Meteor Garden. I think his name is like Jerry Yan. He's in that one. What is it called? Love Never Forgetting. That's good too. Okay. I think I have left is this drink, which honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna drink it all. I think I'll probably like give it away. It's just like giving me a brain freeze and it tastes like sugar. And I think I heard a school bus, so I think my nieces are here. So I'm just gonna give them the rest. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little mukbang. And if you did, be sure to leave a comment down below and be sure to thumbs it up. And until next time, see ya!